how to measure the success of Yelp advertising. Measuring the success of a Yelp advertising is essential to understand its impact on your business. And here is how you can do it. The first step is to sign in into your Yelp account. If you're an active user, you would have to create a Yelp for business account. Of course, you cannot create Yelp ads without creating a Yelp business account or a Yelp business page. So to create an account, go to the top part of the screen, click on Yelp for business. After selecting that, you can decide to add the business if you have not. You can claim your business if you have your business added already to Yelp, and then you can also log into your business account straightly. All right. So once you are logged into your Yelp for business account, navigate through to your Yelp ads dashboard. All right. So on the dashboard, valuable insights into your program's performances is being displayed, such as the customer leads, the ads and organic lead, what you are reaching, as well as the ad spend, that is the amount you spent on ads for a specific period of time. And also beyond ads, your Yelp business account also provides direct visibility into users' interactions. Okay, into users' interaction with your Yelp page, the impressions made, the engagements made, as well as the user's behavior. So for you to be able to measure the success of your Yelp advertising, all you need to do is to check out your Yelp ads page properly. Check out the leads that came in, both the organic leads and the customers leads. Check out your visibility. Check out the number of times your page was displayed to users. Check out alpha, the engagement, and all, and also utilize the call to action feature too. Okay, you have to use this feature to customize your message and to choose where to send customers to, either to direct them to your website or to encourage them to call your business directly. All of this would allow your advertisements to be successful. If you made a good advertisement without a call to action, it is a waste of time because customers will not be able to reach you. So for you to be able to measure the success is by comparing the amount spent, time spent, to how much engagement you had on your ads. So regularly reviewing your Yelp ads dashboard help you to gauge the success of your program, and then helps you to also make informed and regular adjustments. So keep optimizing your ads to attract more customers and to enhance your business visibility. So this is how it works, all right? Thank you for watching to this point. Have a good day.